Muingi wa mwena wa Gilgil hamwe na matura mamwe thiini wa kaunti ya Naikuru ni magomeirwo ni unyihu wa maai na ni kumana na guthererio kwa muberethi wa uria urio makinyagiria maai. Makiria ma andu 200,000 nio mahutitio ni thina uyu, ndeto ino ikihiriria thiini wa kambi itiganite cia borithi na nginyagia magakinya handu ha kugura maai marori-ini.
Our camp requires a lot of water. At the moment we are making use of the reservoir that was there. We are making use of the water bowsers, and even our families within the Gilgil garrison we are providing water bowsers, and that's why we have come here to ensure that we have speedy supply of water so that we can be able to have families and the neighborhood have water.
Na kumana na thina uyu, kambuni ya uheani wa maai ya Naikuru Rural Water and Sanitation Company unyitaniri-ini na mbutu cia KDF ni moete ikinya ria kugeria guthondeka muberethi uyu o riri naguo thina wa wagi wa maai wihiririo na makiria.
We have all the equipment, we have the support from KDF, they are with us, and we are also using some of their equipment. We hope that with the equipment around, this work will take the shortest time possible.
Kuringana na Kuri uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino ya maai, augite guthererio kwa muberethi uyu hutite gicunji kia 15 hari igana kia muingi, akiongerera na kuga mekuhuthira ciringi milioni 5 niguo guthondeka muberethi uyu.
Naikuru Rural Water serves a big population of Naikuru County. On average, we are talking of around 500,000 people within our service area. Meaning now the whole of Gilgil sub-county and part of Naikuru town don't access water because of this, meaning they could be around 200,000. The damage is massive. It is massive. It could go beyond maybe 5 million shillings. But we are yet to, maybe at the end of it when we are complete, we shall be able to add up, but it is a massive cost.
Mwena-ini wake Chirote Isimoto uria ni murugamiriri munene wa mbiraru kambi-ini ya Kenyatta augite makoretwo mahinyiriirio na njira nene ni thina uyu, akiongerera na kuga ni megukorwo makinyitanira niguo kunina thina uyu, ona ningi ni gugutigirira muingi wa mwena uyu ndugukorwo gwati-ini wa kurwara murimu wa corona kumana na kwaga guthingatithia utheru.
We felt obliged to come and support the water company to give them the equipment and the skills that we have in order to ensure that water flows. Currently we have got the problem of COVID and water is very critical. And therefore we feel we should be able to give in a hand as part of obligation in support to civil authority so that we can be able to ensure that water flows in as quickly as possible.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.